20s and cold moonlight.
In the darkest ground, flowers bloom, unafraid of the coming typhoon. Dreams ignite, hearts beat strong, no matter the struggle we push along. Wildfire burns until the dawn, fight to the end, that's how we carry on. The road ahead is filled with haze, like walking through a muddy maze. Lonely steps in the city's noise, a silent heart with an echoing voice. Reality's walls feel like steel, crushing down with every deal. But I know deep down, as long as I stand, my faith grows with every command. On this board of fate, are you in for the game? Sweat and tears on the forge